Hello people, welcome back to Game Reviews. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of Redmi Note 5. Let's go ahead and do it. First, let us just remove the plastic and see what's inside. Let us remove the packaging and then let us bring out the phone. We have some documentations and there's the phone. Let us first see what's more inside the box first. Let us put aside the phone for some time. That's the phone. Let us put it aside. And then we have some documentation which is regular for all the phones. And then we have the USB cable. We have SIM tray pin. And we have the power brick. One important point is that we don't get a headphone in this packaging, in this phone as well. On the right hand side of the phone we have the volume rocker and the power button. Then on the top of the phone we have a headphone jack and some microphones for noise cancellation. On the left hand side we have the SIM tray and nothing else on that side. And on bottom of the phone we have the speaker grills and the charging point which is USB mini. And on the back of the phone we have a camera and a fingerprint sensor. Overall it's a very minimalistic design. We'll be doing a full review of the phone very soon on our channel, so please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you guys.